everybody and welcome back to Currency Training Team. Now I want to show you some special setup which happened on a news trade. So maybe as you can remember, this was our setup in my last video. We have traded this breakout of this trend line. We have gone short here and we got stopped out here. So as you can see, it was very important to shift stop loss to take some profit. So after this, some pullback happened, and when this candle closed, it was time for the pound news. So the British pound news was very positive, which has driven the price very high, and then it reversed a bit. And even it has broken this trend line, the price keeps falling. So sadly, I got a bad entry, so only with very little size due to that bad entry. And now I also want to shift my stop loss a bit more to take some profits. So and now I want to explain you why the pound is falling after this very positive news. Usually, after positive news for a currency, you would expect the currency to rise. This is what happened exactly when the news were released. But then the technical aspect of trading happened. So this was a very bullish candle, what happened due to the news. So if you remember this channel formation on the pound Japanese yen, the price has broken out through this channel and try to continue this downward trend. But then the news have driven the price very high. And this is where the price reversed. This is exactly at the breakout of the channel. So here is the area where sellers were sitting. So the price is going down. And though the news were very positive for the pound, it is going down further because the pound Japanese yen is still in a downtrend. So this news has driven the price up, and so this was kind of pullback. And so sellers were coming in, they got a very good price, and then the pound is falling. And this information, this technical aspect I used to enter the trade. I did miss the good entry, so I did only a very little position with a tight stop loss. I entered here after this candle and put the stop loss here. So this have been around 10 pips stop loss, and now I'm in profit about 35 pips. And the pound yen is continued to be falling as I expect. So at the end of the day, maybe, or the end of the week, we are around this area when we look at the daily chart, or even a bit lower. This is my forecast. So as we know from my last video, anything can happen at any time. So it's very important to shift the stop loss to take some partials, and even my forecast at the moment is somewhere at that low price. It can reverse at any time, so be aware of that, and always beware to take some profits. This is what is important in trading. So this is the main aspect of news trading, that though there was a positive news for a currency, the currency could even go the other way. So when the news come out, the currency moves the same direction as the news were for a currency. So when positive news for a currency, the currency rises. But then afterwards, the technical aspect comes in, and price does what's due to the technical aspect the right thing. So in this case, it's falling and falling and falling. So when we have been in an uptrend, for example, when it has broken here, and then the positive news for the pound would have come, the pound would even rise further and continue its trend. So let's wait and see what the pound does and how it behaves. So I hope I have shown you some interesting things about news aspect of trading, and I hope you can profit from this. Keep this in mind. The technical aspect is always an important key to get profitable in trading, and I hope you will be profitable soon. So thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and give me a like button. So see you next time, your currency trading team.